Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am going to be telling you how to get rid away of pigmentation, hyperpigmentation. I am going to be telling you something about this tablets known as Glutone, which helps in enhancing your complexion and also helps in getting you rid away of the pigmentation or hyperpigmentation you have on your face, and it will help you in giving a even skin tone. And this doesn't have any side effects. It's super simple and easy. You just need to take 2 tablets empty stomach and it's gonna be great for your skin. You'll be able to see your skin glowing just after 2 to 3 days. And I am gonna be telling you everything in detail. So for that, we are quickly gonna be diving into the video, guys. Watch this video. If you like it, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we are quickly gonna be starting the video now. So guys, this is the Glutone 1000. It has 15 tablets. The other one is vitamin C. It has 20 tablets, and you need to combine these both and put it into a glass of water, and you need to take it empty stomach every morning, and you'll be able to see difference in just 3 to 4 days. It is a powerful antioxidant, helps in removing the melanin from your skin. The juice is super delicious, guys, I must say that. And this helps in giving your skin even tone complexion. This helps in making your skin glow and brighter. I have taken them already for 10 days. I was able to immediately see a difference. So this is a great
guys, this is it for this video. I really hope that you find it helpful. If you still have any queries related to this, you can let me know in the comments down below. I would love to answer it for you guys. Also make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. I'll see you guys super soon with another amazing video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.